Hello. Welcome to another video on Math Morass, where we review math and more math and anything and everything in between math. Once again, welcome to another video on Math Morass. Today we are going to be talking, it's very important that you pay attention, we are going to be talking on the classification of algebraic expressions, okay? Once again, today we're going to be talking on the classification of algebraic expressions. Okay? What do I mean by classification of algebraic expressions? It is very important that you become familiar with these four terms I'm going to be talking about. Why? Because when you hear that your teacher used these four terms, you will not be lost. You will know exactly what your teacher is talking about. The number one algebraic expression that I'm going to be talking about is monomials. Monomials, okay? Number one. Monomials. Okay? This is the most common algebraic expression. This is the most common expression. Most common expression. And it consists of one term, one expression. It consists of one term or expression. Okay? For example, if I write 3a, this is a monomial. If I write negative 2b squared c, this is a binomial. If I write x to the fourth power, y to the fifth power, and z to the seventh power, and w to the 12th power, all these are monomials. Why monomials? Because they are one. It's, for example, when you only speak one language, when you speak one language, you are monolingual, meaning one term, one language. Monolingual, one language. Monomials, one term. So most common, this most common expressions are the monomials right here. Okay, let's go on to review expressions numbers 2, 3, and 4. Okay, but I'm going to jump on to number 4, the polynomials. We are all familiar with polynomials. Polynomials are an algebraic expression made up of more than one term. Let me give you examples. If I say 2ab squared minus b cubed, this is a polynomial. An algebraic expression made up of more than one term. This is one term, but in this case we have two terms. So this is a polynomial. Okay? Another example would be 3abx minus 5ab plus 2x squared. Okay, this algebraic expression is made up of more than one term because we have three. We have 1, 2, 3 terms. And this one we had 2, 1 and 2. So these are polynomials. Okay, but in this case, this polynomial right here is also known as a binomial. Binomial. Okay, this is a binomial. So whenever you hear your teacher say, identify the binomial in the following problem, we're going to be looking for a problem made up of more than made up of two terms. Okay, 1 and 2. Like you're bilingual, you speak two languages. So you are bilingual. In this case, we're saying binomial, meaning two terms in the problem. This one here is a trinomial. Trinomial, meaning three. Trinomial, because it has three terms. 1, 2, and 3 terms. Okay. Let me give you another example of binomials. Let's come on to example number 2, binomial. Another example of binomial would be 5x squared y minus 3x squared y cubed. Okay, notice it has two terms, 1 and 2. So this is a binomial. Very clear, very simple right here. Okay, binomial. Let me give you an example of another trinomial. Tri meaning 3. Trinomials. Okay. I can say 5x squared y minus 3x squared y to the third plus b. Just an example. This is a trinomial because it has three terms, three expressions. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so once again, whenever you hear your teacher talk about monomials, binomials, trinomials, or polynomials, this is what we're talking about. Binomials is the most common. It consists of one term. Okay, one term, meaning it's one part of the problem between or before the plus or the negative or the subtraction sign, the division, the multiplication. Like this is a monomial, see? Just by itself. Monomial. Binomials is made up of two terms or two expressions. Tri means 3. Tres, it's made up of 3. 1, 2, 3 terms or 3 expressions. Polynomials is an algebraic expression made up of more than one term. So both binomials and trinomials are polynomials. Okay? If you have any questions, remember, pay attention to what your teacher's telling you. If your teacher's asking you to identify the terms or the expressions in one problem as monomials, binomials, trinomials, or polynomials, this is it. The binomials and trinomials, they are polynomials, not the binomials, monomials. All right? Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share the channel so other students can benefit from this review. Okay? Please share it with your friends, your other students in school, so everybody can benefit. Thank you so much. Until the next time.